I just heard that Hermes Desktop got published yesterday, and it allows you to run Hermes on your own PC in a very easy way without using the command line. Instead, you click Install and that's it. In this video, I'm gonna try it out for the first time with you guys to see how easy it is and what kind of issues I might face and how I'm gonna solve them. The installation process is very easy. As you can see, you just hit Install and that's it. Here I'm gonna choose OpenRouter, add the token, and hit Connect. I should be able to choose another model from here, but there's no model found at all. I thought it's an issue with my configurations, so I tried to go through the same process again, and it didn't work. So just to skip this, I clicked Close, and then I tried to change the model from here. I found the free Tron 3 model, so I activated it. And just to make sure, I looked up the settings to see if there is anything else I can do about this. And I found this option, which is about choosing the default main model for your sessions. I changed it as well to Tron 3 model and hit Apply. Now, since everything should be fine, I tried it out and it worked just fine. But I want to connect it to LMS Studio to use my own Gemma 4 E4B model, so I asked it to do so since I couldn't find any options or settings to do that by myself. It did it already and it created a new session by itself to test it out, and that's actually pretty nice. But just to make sure, I asked which model is running right now, and it confirmed that Gemma 4 E4B model is the one being used. I looked up the options again and I couldn't find it available over there to choose, but it's running, so you can see down there. That bugged me, to be honest, that I can't switch to it if I chose another model, so I asked Hermes why it doesn't show up. And it told me that the chosen provider right now is custom, and only known providers like LMS Studio, Llama, and OpenRouter can have this feature. But it didn't make any sense to me because I couldn't find any option or configuration for LMS Studio to do it by myself in the settings. So I just skipped this issue for now, and I want to test the cron jobs. I asked it to create a cron job that messaged me with a voice code every 30 seconds. After the cron job got created, I waited for it like more than 2 minutes and nothing happened. So I asked it why it's not working, and it kept telling me that everything is configured in a good way and gave me some possibilities why it's not happening, why it's not showing. And it didn't work at all. I keep trying a lot, but it didn't work. And as you can see, no codes are showing here. And I thought maybe it's a model problem, so I switched from Gemma 4 to Tron 3 model and asked it to check on the cron job again. And I got the same results. I even tried many times to trigger it manually and nothing showed up. So I got bored actually and just skipped this one and started to test the web search feature. I asked it to look up the latest news about AI, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now I ask it to create an Excel file to manage my finance. So let's see what it can do. It created a file in this path, so let's see how it looks like. That's not bad for a basic model. Now let's try to connect it to Telegram. I gave it the bot token here and the Telegram user ID. And as you can see, it's telling me that the messaging gateway stopped. I looked up the gateway here and it says the same thing. I couldn't restart it from the application, but after doing some research, I found a command that can solve this issue, and it's Hermes Gateway Start. After doing that, you can notice that the message changed to restart needed. I ran it again just to make sure, and now it says the gateway is already running. That's good, but still, I can't restart it from here. So I went to the chat we had before and asked it to try to fix this issue. After a long time, I went to messaging and I found my Telegram connected. So I went to Telegram to say hello and it responded. I asked which model is running right now, and as you can see, it's writing up there and responded with Gemma 4 E4B model. Just to make sure, I asked it to check on my setup to watch if the model in LMS Studio is actually running. As you can see, it actually talking to the model Gemma 4 E4B model in LMS Studio. Now for the uninstallation process, it's kinda annoying. Why? Because there is no option to completely remove Hermes from your system. I opened the command line and ran this command, Hermes uninstall. I chose full uninstall. And you might think, oh, that's good, but in fact, it's not, because after it finished uninstalling, it didn't remove the Hermes application. And instead, it became like a fresh install. And once you open it up again, it's gonna ask you to configure it from the beginning. So the only way I was able to delete it is by going to my C drive and write Hermes in the search bar and remove any folder or file have this name. I know it's not a good way to do it, but I couldn't find any other way for now. This was my first ever experience with Hermes Desktop application. It got published yesterday, so it's understandable that it has some issues. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about it? And see you in the next one.